Hi and welcome back. If you want to add the link of your Instagram profile, your username to your WhatsApp profile, how you're going to do it, in this video I will explain that step by step. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open WhatsApp application, tap on the three dots here. Then you need to go to settings. Here you need to tap on your profile. Once you tap on the profile, right at the bottom you will find links. You need to tap on it. And here you will find Instagram. You need to tap on the plus sign. You need to enter your username here. So guys, once you type in your username, all you need to do is to tap on save and it will be added. So suppose I tap on save, it is added. You can change the privacy settings from here. If you want everyone to see it, you can choose everyone, my contact, or if you choose nobody, so the link will not be visible to anybody on WhatsApp. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.